Order submitted. Order submitted.
Already, let's see. Oh man. This is the fourth bar. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth. One more bar, no touch, will be cancelled. The trade will be cancelled. Thank you. There's no voice. Is it better now? Is it better now? This is the last bar. See if it's gonna hit or no. This is the last bar. There we go. Okay. Come on, man, don't do that. I'm assuming I can move up now. This trade will be cancelled anyway. Come on.
Order canceled.
Okay. Okay. That just sucks. Market will move up, by the way. I will, I'm assuming, I don't know, but we'll see. Now, market says, screw you, I'm going to move down now. We'll see. Oh man, market is crazy. Okay. I want to change this to be blue. I don't want to make it green. I don't like this green thing. I don't like the green one whatsoever. Doesn't look good. Yeah, the blue is.
Order
No,
submitted.
no, just cancel that.
Order canceled.
Oh, because you're gonna count a new 5 bars. Come on. Oh, isn't the new signal here? Oh, there's a new signal short. Come on, here we go. Come on. So this one is gonna be by itself now. Already? AI plus. And now we're gonna manually move our stop loss for the trailing. I wanna see a good spot to move my stop. So let's say this one is decent. Maybe this one here.
Stop filled.
This one here. Yeah, this one is decent. So let's see now the bar is continue downside, otherwise I'm going to reduce my risk. Or maybe here, just give it some room. Once this bar is closed. This bar is closed now. I'm going to reduce my risk now and see what's going to happen. Come on, man, move down. There you go. Move down, buddy. Come on. There we go.
Order filled.
Move down. Now I'm going to see now what we have. We have this area here. I'm going to move my stop loss now behind this bar. Once this bar closes, just to hide the stop, to hide my stop.
Stop filled.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Come on.
Order canceled.
Trading stop, hit the stop. Did you see the swing 5? And by the way, this signal already there's a 15 minutes line here, should be hitting. So the signal target move in your favor for how many ticks? For almost $500, which is gonna be around like 80 ticks in your favor, by the way. But we're still in this trade, we'll see. In the swing 5. But I tied my stop here. Of course, I don't want to risk all that. So I change it to be blue as well. Come on, quickly, blue and tomatoes and neighbor.
Order submitted.
And just a reminder again, today is our last day of live. So starting from Monday, we'll be trading only available in trading room live, and then all the trades will be posted in the YouTube every day after the market close. You guys can, still watch it, see the trade and everything. Oh man, this one can't be done.
Order canceled.
Yeah. We're still in a swing 5. So if your stop loss still here, the system normal, you should be still in a trade. No change. So we still be in a trade now. the swing 5. Or if you keep your stop at the same place and had a fixed target at 15, you should be already hit it. Like I said, this already market move, already $600 in your favor now, this trade. If you have a small target, you should be hit it already. Or if you're waiting to move your stop over the swing 5, we are still in a trade. So swing 5 still short. If the market moved down now, the trading stop this week, almost the whole week, when you move our stop manually, come up, then touch my stop, and go to the market direction. We'll see. We'll see. See some volatility now. There you go, market start moving downside, we'll see. There we go. Come on, move down. That's actually sucks for the trading. Happen every day this week for the trading stop. So for the swing 5, what you can do is you can actually keep it running like this, or you can actually manually move your stop loss behind the second dash to, you know, catch profit and reduce risk as well if you want, or you can leave it by itself. Up almost $900 now. $1,000 profit now. Let's see. I already have the fixed target already at 221. So fixed target didn't hit the target yet. We'll see. So I made the fixed target this morning 221. So we'll see if you can hit the target or no. Market's pushing up, back up again. Right, give me a moment. So now we can actually reduce your risk at the second dash if you want, or you can keep your stop at the same, don't touch it. But I would say when the market pulled back like this, we can actually reduce our risk at the second dash. So, and for the swing, and let's see what's gonna happen. Pushing down again. We'll see. Okay, let's now we stop using risk now. So you should add it here, but add it behind this daily. And, let's see. So it's only stopped
Order
up.
canceled.
But again, the market move in your favor from this market trade here, almost $1,500 in your favor. So if you're using fixed target, you should be hit. If you're using 1-to-1, you should be hit. Already another trade long here. What happened here? What happened here? Why cancel this trade? Why cancel this trade?
Order submitted.
So this one is long now. AI plus. So we're long now, swing 5.
Order submitted.
And we're long again the trailing stop. And we'll see. Come on. Come on, move up. Come on. Come on. There we go. Move up, buddy. Be a good boy. Be a good freaking boy. There we go. There we go. That's my boy right there. That is 40 points. Who's my risk now? Actually, I'm gonna have break even. Or just behind this bar right here, once this bar close. So reduce my risk now. And hopefully it's
Stop
not going to hit my
failed.
stop, hopefully. But we'll see. We'll see. And I see here also there's a wick here. So I might have my stop a little bit behind this wick right here. See this wick? We'll see. But again, it moves already in your favor now, almost $1,000 in your favor in this trade. So technically, these two trades make $1,500. So these two trades made market move in your favor $1,500, which is almost like 200 ticks in your favor. Which is keep proving that the system will move in your favor anyway, but for how many ticks, we don't know. So now the idea of how you can take profit. So if you're using fixed target at 15, you should be already hit your target. 15 is going to be around here because I stopped moving the 15 now since yesterday. I didn't add new lines, but you should be hitting the
Stop
fixed target
failed.
big time. So the fixed target this week actually again I think stop.
Order canceled.
The fixed target now make the most money this week actually. Again, see market move over how many ticks? $1,000. I want to see how it takes first, not dollars. 200 ticks in your favor. 200 ticks in your favor. Anyone get any profit in these two trades? Can't try to stop on a swing. And also, if you guys interested, we're looking for actually for some people working with us in alpha auto trading. It's a remote job, so you don't need to, come to the office or anything. Just work from home. And this job is not going to be like 9 to 5 or anything like that. It's just, remotely, and you work in your own time. So if you guys interested to make extra money on the side with trading, just send us an email to support team and see if you're interested, and then you can schedule a meeting with me and explain everything if anyone interested. But must be native speaking English, and have access to laptop, connection, that's it. We'll start tightening the stop now. The swing. a short trade right
Order
here.
submitted.
There's a short trade right here. But again, the market keep moving down. We'll see. Just gonna add my sell limit right here, my stop loss right here. Too many trades today. And we should be short now.
Order filled. Target filled.
Should be short now, and for this one here, the stop loss should be around here. The target should be all above down here. It's gonna be okay. And we see the trading, what happened with the trading. Just gonna wait until this bar close and remove my stop. Come on, man. And by the way, I'm copying the swing 5 in 6 micros trailing stop. So this ATM is up now $600. You know? So this is the same trade, but I'm copying with 6 micros with 100 ticks stop loss and trailing 3 contract and other 3 contract fixed target. And I'm gonna move my stop loss now. Break even. And let's see. Market's moving now. Let's go. Come on. There we go. Let's secure some shit profit. Secure some profit from this trade. I'm gonna secure some profit actually on this trade here. And once this bar closes, I'm gonna move my stop loss behind the 100. I wanna get some profit, man. Finally, some trade in this morning and in this trading stop, but we'll see. Here we go. Markets keep moving freaking down. Let's secure some shit profit from this trade. I want to see if any support resistance here. I see one here. Very obvious. I might hide my stop loss behind it. It's a big profit right here. But, you know, I don't want to risk. I don't want to tighten my stop so big. I already secured 132 ticks from this trade, which is $600. That's a fucking nice trade. Let's keep moving.
Stop filled.
So this 6 micros actually is up $1,000 now. So what I'm doing now is I'm using Alpha Trade Copier, copying this trade from the swing 5 to ATM that actually using the same signal, but using 3 contract fixed target, 3 contract trailing stop. Come on. Don't do this shit. Just keep moving down, man. Keep moving down. Come on. Be a good boy. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Stop loss here now, swing 5. Start it. Stop
Order
down.
canceled.
And again, the 6 micro is very cool, but it seems like very cool because, especially with swing 5, 80 ticks is not hard to reach. And also trading 6 micros, even if you stopped out and you tried to stop with a swing 5, it's not gonna be big loss. So that's why it made almost $1,100 today. And market is fucking moving up. We'll see. Too many trades today. 4 trades so far this morning, which is very unusual. But all of them market move in your favor. All of them. This one never touched. This one moves how many ticks? Like a lot. This one how many? Almost like 220 ticks. This one moved fucking how many ticks? Almost 400 ticks. So all the trades today are freaking winners, all of them. Try to stop loss now. Market is very rangy today. Pre-market didn't take any trade today, by the way. Didn't take any trades today. We'll see. Still swing 5 short. Moving down now. Good job. Can actually try to stop loss now. Right. I would say keep it behind the 100 for now, and we'll see. start tidying your stop now, right now. Keep the market moving. It's a target. So you're gonna hit it or no? We'll see. So this actually is the template I'm using, the ATM I'm using for trading the 6 contract. So 6 micros, profit 80, stop loss 100, and then 100 stop loss, and then I'm trailing my stop loss second contract as it. Once hit break, 100 break, profit, sorry, hit break even, and then trailing my stop like this. You can also post this in members area if you want, and you go to your Alpha Trade copier, and you pick the whatever you want, like swing 5, let's say, and then you copy this in the swing 5 in this. You make another account, you trade it on a live account, wherever you want to trade, and then you use an ATM strategy. You can copy this ATM strategy name in here, and then you add 6 contracts, and then you use your own ATM. That's very important. Click use your ATM, and then just start. Click start. And that should be it. So let me do it again, show you. Micro, copy, cancel, save the ATM. You're gonna go to your trade copier, then you're gonna pick, let's say, swing 5. Then you're gonna pick the whatever account you wanna trade on. Use your own ATM, copy the ATM, email it to micro, 6 contracts, and then you press start. That's it. I'm copying also more different stuff here, so I have the email it to micro, and I have the personal, use your ATM here, 6. Start, can copy whatever you want to copy, it doesn't matter. Another session, can copy also from the pre-market template. If you want to test also pre-market template with a 6 micro, you can. We have one here, 6 micro pre-template, pre-market template, 6 market, 6 contract, 6, and crossover, and start. That's it. Can I start now hiding the stop loss now? Behind the, here, I would say. Let's give some profit. Also for the swing 5, what you can do also for, if you want to make the most out of it, you can just start trailing at the dots when it hit your stop, when it's in the money. But the good thing about moving your stop loss here right now is if there is another trade and you stopped out, you will take it, because the market will not take any trades if you are still in a trade. That's why it's better to move your stop. If there is another trade, you'll catch it. Still short. It's a nice move with the deep pullback, but for the stop loss here is fine. So initially the market, when this signal came, market move already almost 400 ticks in your favor. might be a new update, by the way. And you guys, I'm overwhelming you with the updates, but this might be new update coming. You can actually use your own ATM, which means you can trade the ATM you want without without swing 5 or fixed target, or you can use a specific ATM you want to make. Whatever, 5 contract, 6 contract, 1 contract, doesn't matter, and you can do whatever you want to do with this. There's going to be also a very cool feature, to capitalize on the system, because like again, the system move in your favor big time every trade. Your goal is how to actually get the most out of it, how to squeeze it from each trade. Now keep moving down. Now we stop loss now, try to stop loss now, almost break even now. Now in the swing 5, you're already not risking anything. You can do the same with the pre-market template, by the way. You don't need, you don't have to, let it hit the target. You can do the same with the pre-market template. When you take a trade, you can actually move your stop loss when it hit but with the second dash when it's already in profit. So the pre-market template, because it's very conservative, so I would say for the pre-market template, do not move your stop loss with the dash until it's already in the money. Like this now, you're in the money now. Now you can start moving your stop. That's what I'm talking about. You already secure profit. Now you already, securing profit along the way, but do not tie your stop initially. In case the market pull back, you already make money. Let's see, market moving down now. That's a big move downside. Wow, that's a fucking big move. Secure some profit there. There's almost 400 ticks now in your favor now. Can I show you stop a little bit here? In case you stopped out, you're already in the money, and if there's another deal, you can take. That's a big pullback. Look at the market didn't hit my stop loss by the tick. Come on. That's why I like the parabolic saw. It's very, especially with the previous bar, the second dash. It's very accurate. But we'll see. We will see. man, move down. There we go. That's my boy right there. That's my fucking boy. Move. That's my boy. I love that when the market do this. I feel good when I do this. When I move my stop loss in a good place, see the market come up and hit it, feels good. It feeds my ego. Oh man, I hate my ego. Anyway. What the fuck is that? Why is not on, man? Keep moving down, buddy. Keep moving down. Keep moving down. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. That's almost 500 ticks in your favor now. Beautiful one. Come on, man, don't pull back. Move like a cheesecake knife. أو السكينة في الحلاوة. Come on, don't do that. Don't do that.
Stop filled.
Softer swing. Okay. So technically the system is still short. So if you didn't move your stop, you're still short in swing, by the way. But the idea you do this is you want to see, especially if you want to copy to the micro, you can do both. You can actually let the swing 5 running by itself. You can do another one. You can manually adjust it and use it with the copy to 6 micros, so you can take more trades. 2 ways you can do that. We'll see. Now fixed target and 6 micros are the killing today, because for this big move, but deep pullback. Market's pulling back now. Make sure you have everything is correct here. That's a big move upside. So for the 6 micros, 100 ticks actually, let's see, so 100 ticks here for the E-mini. Is, come on, anyway, so it's going to be around, need money. money. $500. So $500 one E-mini, which means 50 micro. 50 micro, which means in 6 contract 300. So the max you're gonna lose for the micro template per trade is $600. That's the max you're gonna, because you're risking 100 ticks, 2 contract 6. So it's gonna be $600. This is your max loss. You know, which is good. It's not a big loss. But again, don't trade this for the account that has $3,000 drawdown or $3,000 end of day. Don't do it. You know, if you're gonna do that, just trade 4 micros or 2. Have a big account. There we go, another trade here. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
Order submitted.
We'll see, we'll see. So the swing 5 by the default template is still short all the time. But you try to stop. What the fuck is going on here? So you're short now, both templates. What happened here? This one, Elite 3 Micro, what happened? What the fuck is going on? Yeah, so the pre-market is short now. Very cool. Let's see the trailing stop, what's going to do today. Come on, Mr. Trailing Ship. Let's try our stop price here. Wow. Wow. I want a place to hide my stop.
Stop filled.
Pre-market template is still short. That's a nice move right there. So let's now tie our stop loss now. Let's make it break even now. So for the trailing we are break even. And here we are in this ship. See if you can take some profit on this shit trade. I would see, I'm going to move my stop loss now to have secure some profit on this crap. And we'll see. I secured now from this trade. How many ticks? I secured now 65 ticks, which is not bad. We'll see. And you can try to stop also here. Yeah, you can keep it like second dash. Oh, thanks, man. But I don't want you to say it's going good today, and you say thank you for today, and with the choppy day, it's just a bad system. It's not about days, man. Keep in mind. Come on, don't hit my fucking stop. Hit, you know, so
Order
stop,
canceled.
Stop. With profit, 65 takes profit. Now let's see what's going on here. Come on, again market, come fucking hit my stop loss, continue downside. That is shit. That is actually shit. Come on. Yeah. Huge shot. And tomatoes. You can try to stop loss now if you want. Yep. You can try to stop loss now. And there is another thing I want to do in the system, really crossing my mind since long time. You remember, guys, I told you the E-mini is different than the micro. So E-mini is better in terms of volatility and movement. It is better than the micro for sure. So when you take the signal on the micro, it's not going to be exact as E-mini. E-mini is better in terms of moving. So if you want to trade micro but have the same trade as E-mini, same trade, everything the same. Let's say you have a template now, which is let's say that the one we have, the pre-market makes $65,000 with $7,000 drawdown in a year. You want to do the exact same signal, same entry with the one micro, which means it's going to be $6,000 with $700 drawdown. You want one micro, and you can multiply it, whatever you want. If you take the same signal, same system, and add the micro, it's going to be different results. But if you copy your trades from E-mini to micro, you're going to be the same result. So what I'm thinking is, how about we, and in the system itself, we can actually cross over. Like, should be an option in the system. When you use NQ, let's say, you're going to be an option to cross over. So when you press cross over, it will take the trades in MNQ, not NQ. If I can do this option, it will be a game changing. Because in this case, you don't need to worry about, copy your trade or any shit like that. You just press cross over, and then it will take trades in micro. And also you can, the new feature, you can do it if you can use your own ATM strategy. So you can actually, use any ATM you want in micro, trading in E-mini. So take the trade in E-mini, but copy in micro. In the system. Will be very cool. Let's see if you can do that. Everything can be done. That's a big. Today market is moving big. The system is getting a lot of profit with it, like a lot. See if you can add this feature. Now we can add your stop loss almost break even now. You don't need to risk all this shit. And we'll see. Pre-market taper is still short. Actually, pre-market taper hit the target. No, not yet. Not yet. Pre-market taper is still short. Almost $3,000 now profit, which is very nice. Well, let's see. Now we can take some profit now, here. Secure some profit on this trade along the way. Secure some profit. When I see this, when I see a wick, just tiny behind the wick. Someone sent me a message yesterday, like, how come, first of all, we have almost like 600 people now in the system, but someone said to me, okay, how come you don't have like 1,000 in the system? It's very simple, because traders like drama. That's the thing here. When you give them something very easy to trade and nice signals, they get bored. You know, do you not understand that trading should be boring? It should be. If it is exciting, you're not gonna make money. So when they do something all over again, every day the same thing over and over and over. I have my stuff here. Let's see this week here. Yeah, it should be good. Maybe one tick here. Yeah. When they do something every day over and over again, they feel anxious because they get used to the crap they're doing every day. Every week they're changing the system. They're looking for something new. They try to add stuff every day. So when you use system that actually very consistent and you just do the same thing over and over again, their brain start, this is something wrong here. Where is the crap you used to do? And then you start finding something else, and so on and so forth. And keep paying money for the subscription, for the accounts, and losing money. And now I'm secured from this trade now for the swing 5. I secured now almost 300 ticks from this trade. It's very nice. Almost $1,500 so far. I'm gonna also hide my stop loss. I'm gonna stay in this trade. One more tick. One more tick. It's not gonna hurt. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, yes, exactly. Do you think when you have like a lot of stuff on your chart and a lot of crap happening? I'm a trader now, and I see. Again, I log into a lot of computers every day to install the system and stuff. Me and my team, but I see a lot of crazy stuff. Crazy. Like I see one guy was selling system. The guy, he has like, I don't know, like 10, 20 charts in his computer, and I don't know. I can't even see the price. What do you do here? So, this is blah blah retracement and all this fancy words and 50%, 25% shit. What the fuck are you doing here? What are you doing? He feels like now I'm a trader now because I'm doing all this fancy crap. I'm gonna hide my stop list more about this here. Yeah. Let's see. I want to give it, as much chance as I can. Otherwise, I'll be stopped out. That's fine. Stopped out with a nice
Order
profit.
canceled.
Pre-market is still short, by the way. Too many trades today. Too many trades. Which is very, very unusual. The second, let me, okay, 1 second. Cannot read your comments. Give me a second. You are setting your stop at the second SAR back from what you have thought, I believe, but it seems like you have leave a lot of profit on the table. Just curious about that. So, it is a thing. If you're using live drawdown, which is you shouldn't, don't do that because it's gonna fuck up your account for sure. But in the drawdown doesn't matter. So yes, I'm leaving a lot of money on the table, of course. But I need you to go historically, go back and see if you move your stop loss behind the second SAR, every trade with the swing 5, how much money you're gonna make. Maybe today I give up a lot of profit, but some days this move, like yesterday, make you $5,000 in profit in one trade. Actually, no, almost $8,000 in one trade by just moving your stop like this. Some days you're gonna give a profit, some days you're gonna make a lot of money. But what I'm giving you guys now, I'm giving you a system that actually move in your favor. You all agree on that. There is no doubt now. All of you now with me for almost a month or more, no doubt. System is signal, it's very accurate. Very accurate. Right? Now your job is to find how you're gonna take profit, depending on your risk behavior or risk tolerance. If you cannot mentally give up all this profit, just tie your stop. Just tie it. You don't need to do that second, just tie it. You can mix between both this way and this way, which means you can start using, so you don't tie your stop loss very quick like we do here. So you give market room to move in your favor, and once market move in your favor, you can actually looking for market structure to hide your stop and secure profit, and instead of giving profit like this. So in this scenario, the market move all this way up, down here, and instead of putting your stop price here and giving all this profit, you can actually put your stop right here. You know what I mean? So depending on your risk tolerance. Anyway, market moving up now. Yes, yes, yes. So do the thing that actually match your trading. If you have a live trading drawdown, which you shouldn't, by the way, by any chance, you shouldn't have to do that yourself. Just tie your stop. Pushing down now. Pushing down. Pushing up. Come on. Okay. Six micros pre-market is already realized profit. It's already done. All right. Let's see if you have any other trade. You got a lot of trades this morning. A lot. A lot of trades. Right, just give me a moment, guys. I'll be back. take any trades? No, so far. I have almost 15 minutes. Almost 15 minutes, and still pre-market is short. All right. Let's see the comments here. Okay. Here's a short trade. Let's see.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
We are short now in pre-market, sorry, in the,
Order submitted.
come on, let's go move down, man. Come on, let's move down. Come on. Move down. Come on. Let's go. Don't be shy. Move down.
Order
There we go. 6 micros is killing this morning. 6 micros already hit the first target. And gonna trail the the other 3 now. 6 market is fucking killing. 6 micros already. It's up 2 grand today. So I'm gonna tighten my stop loss now. We'll see just a little bit here. Tighten my stop loss around here.
stop filled.
Come on, no, come on. So the pre-market, so the six micros now is up 2 grand today. And we still short pre-market. Tied my stop loss now. I'm gonna risk all this. And we still short here. You can also your stop loss a little bit here. But I would say, yeah, you can. Why not? Keep moving, buddy. Keep moving. I'm gonna start tied my stop loss right here. Just a little bit. I don't wanna risk all that. And we'll see. Come on, do not hit my stop. Keep moving down. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. So now almost break even. And we still the pre-market is short. That's a big money right there. We'll see. Woo! That's a big move. That's a fucking big move. I'm gonna take some, what the fuck, man? That's a big money. I'm not gonna risk all that. I'm gonna take some profit right here, because this is a big bar. So, That's I secure now 84 ticks from this trade. So again, we tied the stop loss here, and we let the market run with the other templates. So we actually catch both. So this one, we tied our stop, try to catch big profit, and the other one, we, give the market room to breathe. So we catch both of them, doesn't matter. Nice trade this morning, very nice trade this morning. Very, very nice trades. I think you all now confident about the system. Like when you see a signal, you are very confident now to take the trade, and you know this, the market gonna move in your favor. You should be, right? You should be now very confident with the signals. I'm gonna keep my stop loss here now for now. I wanna see what happens. And by the way, this crossover thing is already can be done, by the way. So expect this new version soon. So this new version is has a crossover option, which means when you check this mark, the system will get the signal from the NQ, but will take the trade on the MNQ, which is very cool, because you're gonna use the E-mini market, not the micro, which is better. And also it's gonna have an option to use your own ATM. So if you add your own ATM and check mark use the ATM, it's gonna ignore everything else, and it's gonna only use the ATM. Keep in mind, if you choose the ATM version, if you choose like check mark ATM, it's not gonna be available in any backtesting. So ATM is not available in backtesting. You have to do it like either playback or trade it live. No backtesting for ATM. That's the only thing. But using ATM is good because sometimes I want to trade like 6 micros like I'm doing now. Instead of copying trades, you can actually just trade 6 micros and one contract or like 3 contract 80 takes profit or 100, and then trade the others. Oh,
Order canceled.
We stopped out now. It was nice profit. We'll see. We're still short in pre-market template and in swing 5. Start turning to stop now, the swing 5. A lot of trade today, but all of them, market moving big time. Look at this trade, market moving already 300 ticks. We'll see. We'll see. Can you guys hear me well now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Order canceled.
Swing 5 stopped out. Yeah, we catch a nice profit from the trailing, and we stopped out here swing. And the 6 micros now is killing it, man. It's almost $2,000 profit. We'll see if I have any signals. We have already listened. We still have almost 30 minutes. Too many signals today. Too many. But all of them are freaking good. Yeah. Keep moving. Keep moving. Thank you, man. How much money you guys make today? With this, like 4 or 5 massive winners trade today. A lot of money today. If you manage your profit, if you manage your stop loss, you make a lot of money today. We'll see. With all these new options in the system, you don't need anything else, man. You have everything you need, everything. You want to trade micro? Here we go. You don't need to trade micro. You can trade E-mini and then copy in a micro. You want to trade your own ATM? There we go. You use your ATM. You want to do fixed target 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, move your stop loss behind the market, behind the structure. Do you want to trail your stop? You can. Everything. So, you have everything. You have everything. Actually pushing up now. And we'll see if we have any other signals. We'll see. Pre-market is still short until now, by the way. Pushing down again. Wow, that's a big move. That is a big move. Wow. Well, well, well. Another trade here.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
There's another short trade with the market pushing up after that. We'll see. We'll see. It's funny how sometimes it happens like many times. We get a signal and still our limit order is still there and the market is pushing the opposite direction. Which means is this also going to give you a story about the signal, about the system. It's like a turning point. A turning point. If you guys can see. It happened, if you guys watching the system for a long time, you understand this. It's like a turning point. So this turning point means if the market go down here, it's gonna move down. Turning point. Never touch it, opposite direction. Big time. Which is also gonna give you a lot of information about how accurate the signal is. We'll see if you have any other signals. Or just have to wait 5 bars. That's a big push-up sign. That is the big push-up sign. This is the 4th bar. One more bar, and then we're gonna wait for another signal. This will be cancelled. We'll see. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last bar, and then this trade will be cancelled. Yeah, trade is cancelled.
Order canceled.
Now we're looking for a rest.
Order canceled.
Now we're looking for a new signal. So like I said, guys, if anyone of you interested, work with us. Again, it's a remote job. It's not gonna office. We're gonna go to office or anything. It's just gonna go from home. All you need is, laptop connection and working on time. You don't need gonna be like scheduled time specific. It's not gonna be like 9 to 5 or anything like that. You can give us also your availability, and we can work around that. If you work 9 to 5 job and you need like specific hours to work, let us know. So if you guys are interested, email us, and we will schedule a meeting with me, and then we'll discuss the opportunity. But it must be someone who has speaking English natively, not like me. Someone who speaks his English is first language. Marcus is pushing down now. And we have 15 minutes almost. Give me 1 second, guys. Just 1 second. Can you guys hear me now? Oh, okay. We'll be good. Still have 15 minutes. Marcus is pushing up now. Let's move. Let's move, man. Can you guys believe it's almost Christmas? Oh my God. 2025 is a very, very strange year. Very strange. Come on. The pre-market stop or not yet? Actually, pre-market is still in a trade. Pre-market template is still in the trade. So this new update with the ATM strategy, it's gonna give you a lot of leverage in terms of how to move your stop with using ATMs. You can, I'm gonna also provide you the ATM I'm using, so you can trade like 6 micros, 4 micros, and you can capitalize on all of this. Instead of moving your stop loss or whatever, you can actually let the ATM do it for you and tide it, so you can make money if the market move in your favor, or if the market stop you out, you're not gonna lose too much because you're gonna trade micro anyway, which is very cool. Come on. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Keep moving, man. I have 10 minutes until the market, until we're done today. Very good session today. Very good. It's pushing up now. Let's see if you have any other signal before we done. Too many signals today, so it's good.
Order canceled.
We'll see. Yeah, true. Almost 8 minutes until we're done with 7 minutes if we want to make. I feel like we're gonna have a long signal. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. Well. Almost 5 minutes. minutes, almost 1 minute actually. Yeah, then we're done today. This is the last bar, no signals, gonna be no trade. Sometimes happen the last bar, we'll see. We'll see. And that's it. Very good session today, a lot of trades, a lot of very, very profitable trade. So, again guys, this is gonna be the last day on live on YouTube, because we need to focus more on the members, because when I'm using live YouTube, it actually, the trade is lagging, and the stream is lagging. So this is not fair for the members. So we have our own trading room. So if you are a member, please log into the members area. You should see the one lesson to log into members area. It's gonna have a link, username and password. Log in from there, and you should see me on Monday. Start from Monday. I'm gonna share my screen. It's not gonna be no lagging, so you can actually see me trading without lagging anything. And also, we will still post the YouTube trading every day in YouTube after the market close. So if you are not member yet, you wanna see us trading after we trade and see the signals, we can. But again, I don't see any reason you shouldn't now be a member. You see guys this trading live every day. We're making tons of money. So, and we have also now monthly subscription. So we can, if you cannot afford or you want to invest all these 6 months, you can start monthly, and month to month. There is no obligation. So you can stay on the sideline, and keep watching us making money every day. And you can do whatever you want to do, or you can just join and make actually real money with us. It's up to you. Right, that's it guys. Enjoy your weekend.